and in today's video we're going to create a very simple character counter in Python. Say we need to count the O's. There it is. The final response, which is 3. Here it tells me that the word count is 2. Hello everybody and welcome to this tutorial. This is Coding Adventure, and in today's video we're going to create a very simple character counter in Python. It's mainly a project for beginners. If you're a beginner in Python, this project is going to be very helpful for you. So let's now get into the first step. First step is getting an input. We're going to create a character counter that counts all the characters in a sentence or a string, and a word counter. And also we're going to make a specific character counter and ask the user in the beginning, either he needs to count the occurrences of a specific character, or count all the characters in the sentence, or count the words. So let's get started. First, we need the input for the question. We need to ask the user which option does he need to use. So we're going to create a variable with an input. Let's name the variable res for response. In this variable, we're going to store the input or the response that we get from the user, and then ask him what does he need to do. This is what appears for the user in the beginning of running the program. If he needs to count all characters, count the appearance of specific character, or count words. And as you can see, the input needs to be a number. So we're going to set this into an int in order to store it as an integer. Now, we need to get another input, which is the sentence or the paragraph. Let's name this variable s, and let's start with the if conditioning. If res equal 1, print len s minus s dot count, and make a string with a space inside it. And this is the count function that's used to count a certain character. And we're going to use it again in the next if condition, which is number 2, which is count the appearance of a specific character. So in this, we're going to first ask for another input, which is the character. Let's name it C, and we're going to get it using input, and then use the count function and print s dot count C. Now enter another if condition, which is elif. Now elif response equal 3. Print. In order to count the words, we're going to use the split function to split. The split function is going to split words from the sentence, and going to split the sentence into an array, and is going to remove the spaces. So let's use split print len. In order to count the length of the array, we're gonna put a space here as an argument. All things are ready, and we can run the file. But I'm gonna do some modifications. I'm gonna add here a \n to start a new line, and add some phrases before printing the counts in order to have a better user experience, like this. Now that's it. I added some phrases. And now let's run the program. First, start with count all characters, and let's say hello world, and it tells it's 10. Now let's run it again and respond by 2. Again, hello world. Say we need to count the O's. There it is. Now let's run this. The final response, which is 3. Run the file. 3. And type hello world, and here it tells me that the word count is 2, and that's it. It's very easy, and don't worry if you're still a beginner, you have many projects to apply, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and have a nice day.